Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y, so we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu t equals to e to the power of the integration. We see that number 3 next to y, including the positive side. This is for integrating factor. And we have e to the power of 3t. That means we multiply both sides by this one. This one we have e to the power of negative 4t plus 3t. This is about negative t. Next, we can put the integration for the both sides. Next, we can use about the product rule of the derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of a multiplied by b plus first derivative of b multiplied by a. So this one, that is about first derivative of a multiplied by b. This one, that is about first derivative of b multiplied by a. So the integration of this one, we have y equals to ab. So the integration of that one, we have ye to the power of 3t. Now we need to concentrate on this one. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to t. Later that, we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to dt, dv equals to this one. The integration of e to the power of negative t, we have v equals to negative e to the power of negative t. So we have u multiplied by v minus, we have the u multiplied by v. So negative and negative, we have positive, and now we have the integration e to the power of negative t dt. So the integration of this one, we have negative e to the power of negative t, and I will put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.